Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing a tutorial on how I achieve this amazing wash and go using only one product, y'all. Look at the definition. Look at it. Yes. All right, so I've already completed one side and I'm about to start on this section. And you guys, I use the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. Okay, so the two secrets to this one product wash and go is that I used a no sulfate shampoo. I used the Curls Blueberry Bliss reparative hair wash, and I also deep conditioned with the 3-minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner overnight. Okay, so this deep conditioner is the one with avocado and Australia jojoba oil. Okay, and these two products helped to moisturize my hair and keep moisture in my hair. If you go ahead and use a clarifying shampoo, that is going to rid your hair of all moisture, and it's going to be hard to just use one product. So yeah, that is the key. I feel that helped me achieve moisture with this one product wash and go. And mind y'all, I am type 4 hair. One product? What? Are you serious? Like, I am still in shock, you guys. But let me tell you, it worked. So as you saw, I went ahead and I spritzed my hair with lots and lots of water. When you do so, you want to make sure that your curls are already popping. And usually when I spritz my hair with water, like, my curls don't start to take form until I add a leave-in conditioner or a product. My curls were already popping just by adding water. That's how you know that my hair was still somewhat moisturized, okay? After you apply the gel, this is how you want your curls to look, okay? You want them to be super duper defined, and you want them to be drenched in this gel, okay? And then now for my new technique, I decided to try shingling. Yes, that's right, shingling. That is another secret to this super bomb wash and go, you guys. I used to feel like it would take forever, but it's literally the quickest thing. You literally just pull where the curls want to separate, and then you just twirl down the hair shaft, and then yeah, you have a defined curl. Shingling, you guys, allows each curl to thrive on its own. Like, my hair was never this defined when I would just like rake the product through my hair. Like, especially this specific section, it gets very, very frizzy, and my curls are very hard to stay defined. But you will see how defined that my curls still are even when I move on to the next section. It's amazing. Like, this is my, what do you call it? My staple, okay, for my wash and go. All right. Did you guys see how defined my curls already were? Just only adding water. Like, remember, you want to make sure that your curls are already popping, okay? With just water. Look at that. Only water. Okay? This is the key to a bomb type 4 hair wash and go. Trust me, try it. Also, you guys, remember that before I started styling, I washed and deep conditioned my hair, all right? And again, the shampoo that I use has no sulfates, okay? No sulfates to strip my hair. Also, I forgot to mention that the Blueberry Bliss reparative hair wash has no silicones, parabens, artificial oils, colors, or fragrances, okay? And then the deep conditioner I used was super moisturizing, and I used it overnight. Then I rinsed it out and then styled my hair, spritzed it with water, and all the stuff that I'm doing right now. So just remember that, okay? Those are the secrets. I want to add one more thing of why I also feel like my wash and go was so bomb, because of my haircut. I feel like since I've cut my hair, my curls have been on 10. Like, this haircut was everything I feel like my curls needed and more. They're much more stringy and more spiral, and they're just free, and it shows how happy they are because they show out, okay? guys, so I am completely finished with applying the gel and defining my curls. So after this, I went ahead and sat under the dryer, my hooded dryer, for about 2 hours. You guys, I am just so in love with this gel. So this is what my hair looks like dry after I have sat under the hooded dryer for about 2 hours. My roots were just a tiny bit wet, but my hair is like 98% dry right here. And then you guys, I stretched it and look at it. Look, the curls are popping, the curls are stretched. Now, I did not stretch them as much as I usually do because I really didn't see a need to, guys. Like, I was so in love with the shape, how defined my curls were, how popping they were. Like, it just looks so good. So yes, my loves, that is it. That is the secret to my bomb wash and go. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up with me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.